What would you do if you had a patient who was difficult or a patient that fainted in phlebotomy? So today, me and my students prepared a skit to demonstrate what this could look like in the real world. And they demonstrated what you should do in this type of situation. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hello, my name is Ariana. I'm going to be your phlebotomist today, okay? I have to take some blood work from you. Is that okay?
I'm scared.
You're scared. What's your name?
Megan Fox.
Date of birth.
10/10/25.
Well, I'm going to get started. Is that okay?
Is it going to hurt?
Yes.
I'm really nervous.
You'll be okay. I'll put your
Do you have any suggestions for my nerves?
I can give you some water.
Okay. How many times do you have to poke me?
Just once.
Okay. I think I can handle that.
I think so too. Which arm do you prefer?
This one, please.
That one? Okay. Is this your first time getting your blood taken?
No,
No?
but it doesn't go so well.
Oh. All right. So these are my supplies. This is the needle, okay?
Wow, that's a really big needle.
Okay. It's not, but it's okay. Don't worry. Good job. All right. Okay. You all right?
Just nervous.
I'm gonna put this back on. It's gonna be a little tight,
Okay.
but not too tight that you can't handle.
Thank you for telling me the steps. Can you count to 3?
I'll count to 3 for you. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh, Jesus. Okay, ma'am, hello? Can you wake up?
What happened? You're done already?
No, you passed out.
Oh, so do you have to do it again?
I will, but do you need some water? Are you okay?
Yeah. I don't think we should do this
I
today.
see sweat. Not today? You want to do it another day?
Yeah.
All right, I will gladly do it another day. I'm going to apply a Band-Aid.
Okay.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
We're definitely going to do this another day. And next time, we're going to lay you on a bed.
Okay.
So you'll be more comfortable, right?
Okay.
Let me fold this to make it a little...
Thanks so much.
Of course. I'm so sorry that happened. All right, ma'am. We're going to make a new appointment, all right?
Okay.
I hope to see you soon.
Can I have that water?
Yes, I'll get you that water.
Thank you.
So in this demonstration, when our patient fainted, you can see that the phlebotomist acted very quickly. They stopped the procedure immediately and tended to the patient. All right, so when the patient faints, the first thing you want to do is remove your tourniquet, apply pressure to the site, remove the needle, and activate your safety. Once you've completed that and you've discarded your needle into your sharps container, then you want to tend to your patient. Sometimes you can get water, if you have anything with sugar, to bring their sugar levels back up. A cool compress on the forehead, the back of the neck, or on the wrist can also help them come back from fainting. If you guys enjoyed this video, please follow us for more.